Hello everyone and welcome to So Many Games Little Time. Today we'll be unboxing the Chai mini expansion. Oh yeah, and my name is Joachim. This is special because I didn't think I would ever get it because it was supposed to be delivered in December 2020. And communication wise there was a deafening silence for a long time. Maybe still is, I don't know. So I think many people gave up, lost refunds and so on. But I figured I'll get it one day. So here we are. So I'm going to take away this wrapper because there's something in here. And then we'll see what it is. Okay, so inside here is the new rulebook, apparently. See it here. A new rulebook for Chai. But then with the expansion included, I guess. I don't really see it immediately, but maybe not. I don't know. Maybe I'm just missing it. Could be that I'm missing it. So this can go away. And this is the other stuff. This is just some random piece of foam. No, I have no idea what this is. And then this I will also open up. Okay, so this is what came out. Let's first look at these. Tokens for the what was it called again? That board. I'm sure it's in here. The the pantry board. And there we go. Oh no, it's not the pantry board. These are the rewards. When you fulfill something, you get what's on the bottom. Oh, nothing here. Okay. I have to say it's a little bit cooler than what they originally had, that's true. Okay. And then this one, I guess this is these are the acrylic tokens, I think. The bag is nice, you know. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, so these are the acrylic tokens. I wonder if this has this. Oh, okay, yeah. So they still have to remove the layer. I guess this is to protect them in transit. Okay. Yeah, I think they look okay. I'm not gonna. Yeah. Yeah, this looks mostly okay, to be honest. I don't know if you can see it very clearly. Yeah. Of course, it's always better than cardboard, but take a look at some more. So we've seen this one already. This one's the milk. Sugar is very, very light. Yeah. And the sugar is very light. I don't know if that was, if it's supposed to be that light. This one seems a little bit darker. I don't know. Milk and honey. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's just about it already. Okay, so those are the tokens, and then here we have the Chai High Tea expansion. Okay, so let me open it up. Okay, so Chai High Tea by Steeped Games. Yeah, so of course requires Chai to play, and even though they put like some fancy stuff on the box, I think for most people they will keep the box, but I guess opening the box seems to be seems something difficult already. Oh my goodness. Come on, open up. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. I cannot get this box open. I really cannot get this box open. And I'm just damaging the box, trying to get it open. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna put it in the main box anyway, so it doesn't matter. But really? I cannot get this open. Ah, Jesus. Okay. Oh, jeez. I still cannot get it open. Okay, if you're watching this and you think, stop destroying the box, the only way I can get it open, I'm using all my power. Oh my goodness. Okay, so component list, 6 double-sided ability tea room boards, 1 pantry resource die, and 1 market resource die. Okay. Alright, so I talked about a die, but okay. So I guess the die is also in here. Yeah, okay. Okay, so the tiles, they're cute. They're cute, yeah. Yeah, definitely nice. Okay, and then we have 2 dice here. Which have all kinds of stuff on them. Don't know what it is. Okay. Alright, cool. Well, that's it. That was the unboxing. Was it worth waiting this long for? I don't know. I'm not sure. But it'll make the game look better, I guess. We'll see. So, yeah, that was it. That was the unboxing of Chai High Tea. Finally arrived after I thought it would never come. Okay, cool. Thank you. My name is Joachim. This is SMGSLT. See you next time. Bye-bye.